Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by trimming and pounding chicken to even thickness so it cooks uniformly. This prevents drying. Once done, season the flour and breadcrumbs separately to lock flavor inside the crust. Dip each piece in flour, then beaten eggs, then breadcrumbs, pressing firmly so crumbs adhere. Make sure your dredge station is organized left to right, and the oil or oven is preheating now. This timing ensures the coating sets when the chicken hits heat. Once the pieces are coated, place them carefully into hot oil or a preheated skillet. You want an immediate sizzle to seal the crust. Flip only once for stable browning. This prevents crumb shedding. If finishing in the oven, sear first then transfer to bake so moisture escapes and texture improves. Make sure to check internal temperature with an instant read thermometer. 74 degrees C is the safe target. Then rest on a rack. You finish by letting the chicken rest briefly, then adding acid or herbs to lift the flavor. Bright notes cut richness and balance the crumbs. If the coating turns soggy, re-crisp on a wire rack in a very hot oven for a few minutes. This restores texture without overcooking the meat. Make sure to monitor closely and use a thermometer when reheating or storing. Following these steps keeps the chicken safe, juicy, and crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.